anchored. After 4 days of recharging my battery, this gladiator is ready for the arena. Let's have a great week. How's everyone doing today? Let's just take a quick look around as the dollar pushes to new highs. Still waiting for one more drop in the gold. I'll start there. Looks like 1040 could come into play. We did confirm this low on the 1 hour. So we'll see if we could still get this one more push down towards 140. ECB, NFP this week. Now it looks like the euro return line is going to come in down around the 105 level. I haven't done anything new. I think we're going to get this another opportunity to short the yen up here. I actually wouldn't mind seeing it take out this high up here. Doesn't have to though. Who's in the house? Hi, Ved, JM, Sinatra, Happy, No Hair. No Hair, please refrain from posting promo links to your service here in LAR. Hey, Ved. Sinatra. Ed ZFX is here. MRC is here. So it should be a wild week. Alexandros is here. I'm going to be interviewing him tomorrow. Jax is here. So let's get started. Euro pound still not making new lows. I'm not impressed with this recovery here, but still not making new lows. USD CAD beginning to diverge up here. Maybe this was enough. I'm not ready to do anything there either. Aliens in the house. Hope everyone had a great weekend. I enjoyed having 4 days off. So let's go to work, Larians. Views, charts. What's everyone thinking in here? Fab is in the house. Hi, Fab. How have you been? You think we're there yet, Alien? I'm not sure we're there yet. Here's the Dixie. Peter Goodburn said par 33. I believe that we've gotten there. Par 36 is a high. Still looks like a rising wedge to me. Hello, Ricardo. How are you? Got a little tweeting going on with Jim Rickards. I'm trying to, yeah, we're all here. Adinda's here, Alexandros is here, Sinatra is here. Everyone's here. So this kind of has a wedge look to me here, at least from this low, some kind of ziggies here. Hello, brother. So guys, I'm ready to Goldie's here. How are you, Goldie? Welcome back. Yeah. So small correction and another push up. I'm not sure either. I sure have a hard time getting long the dollar here, though. Let's see the picture of what you're thinking. I saw your tweets and your reports. So let's begin to collaborate. Thank you, everyone, for showing up. I have a very good guest today. Don Mead at Seven Sentinels. Big contributors at traderstalk.com. Looking forward to speaking to Don today. The guests that I bring in are a big part of the building up and edification of the community. Looking forward to speaking to Don Mead. He has a Seven Sentinels indicator. See what Ved is looking for in euro here. Ved starts us off. He was ready to trade yesterday. Okay, Ved's looking for another push down. $105.60 again. Should take out these lows if it gets down here, don't you think? Nice short up there. Snaga, Ved. Thank you. Thanks for getting us off to the races here. Ved still negative, looking for a retest of recent lows in the euro. Hi, Cyric. Hi, Jax. Thank you, veteran. Yeah, you know what? I won't even trade that Swiss. With what SMB did it again. SMB did it again last week when I was away. It's just too manipulated. Okay, so we have a little pullback, another blow off in the Swiss. Well, then that's going to take us to probably new lows in the euro. Don't you think that this would take us to new lows if we did this? You know, a lot of people, in fact, I think when I had Ed Matz on a long time ago, their work was looking for 102.5 in the euro. Maybe that's where we're going. 102.5, shake out all the longs under 104. So if we follow that roadmap, Aileen, I would think euro would have a new low. Maybe that'd be 102.50. If you guys could find anything technical, fib-wise, harmonic-wise, 102.50 is a number that was bandied about. It was an Elliott wave count from Ed Matt's Market Vision many months ago. 102.50 in euro. Just dead in the water. The return line will come in this week. Here's one. This return line is going to come in at new lows. And then there's this big return line. It's going to come in at 104.5. So a couple return lines working in the euro here, one above 105, one at the low of the move. Everyone doing okay? Bed's got a look in oil. I think Bed was chomping at the bit to trade and have everyone, all market participants, back. Looking for 35.65. Wow. Okay. That's new lows. Thank you, Ved. So the IMF is accepting the yuan into the SDR, high Abel, and the world did not come to an end with the IMF placing the yuan in the SDR. A lot of guys are saying that would be the death of the dollar. Not yet. Cyric has a Euro Yen look. How are you, Abel? My trading warrior brother. So Euro Yen starting to turn. Cyric's got some very nice charts here. This box right here. It's trading on the other side of the wedge. Nice look on Euro Yen. Thank you, Cyric. Nice look on Euro Yen. Everyone thanks Cyric for sharing his work. Who thinks Cyric is a great addition to our community? Cyric's been around a month or so. If you think Cyric is a great addition to our community, give me a Y. Here's mine. There's my Y. Everyone thank our contributors for sharing their work, please. Yen still looks like it has upside left. Everyone doing all right? Who's ready for a big hiya, Doug? Who's ready to have a great December in LAR? Thank you, Goldie. JM, welcome to LAR. Welcome back. Here's Goldie's look at the Swiss. Thank you for your transparency, Goldie. We're not always right in the markets. The difference between pros and amateurs are pros know how to lose, so they have money left to be right with. Yeah, it blew it out. I noticed that Thursday or Friday. This candle blew it out. Thank you, Goldie. Everyone thank Goldie for his integrity of talking about that he could be wrong on this trade right now. Thank you, Goldie. Thinks Goldie is a great addition to our community. If you do, give me a Y. Here's my Y. Goldie, Cyric, we have new members in here. I hope my song "Use Less Leverage" was not playing in your head all weekend, Goldie. Here's another look from Cyric on pound Swiss, something I don't trade, but probably relates to this, what the trade Goldie's in. See what Cyric has here. Diverging, not really diverging, but again, kind of like what he showed prior in the Euro Yen, some harmonic pattern here that we're trading on the outside of. Thank you again, Cyric. Cyric's looking 4-hour pound Swiss. How you doing, Sinatra? Ali, how are you, buddy? Ziggy, hope you had a good holiday. Happy, how are you? No Hair, did you get my message earlier, No Hair, about promoting your services and your Black Friday specials in here without permission? Don't mind you sharing that you have a business. Hi, John573. I'm great. I'm as brilliant as a diamond. You better put on your shades. Thank you, Goldie. Here's Cyrix Euro Pound. A lot of these harmonic patterns setting up. So the Euro Pound has not made a new low in many trading days, with the Euro making successive new lows. Still think you got to buy it on breaks. Buy the Euro Pound on breaks. Not sure where. Thank you, Cyrix. Nice Euro Pound look. Another harmonic. Harmonics are showing up everywhere. And a butterfly in the Swiss 4 hour. Nice. It once was a caterpillar, but now it's a butterfly. Butterflies fly free. Yeah, I think in the next week, maybe this week into the NFP. Good, Zig. Thank you, Cyrix. Yeah, a lot of people using them. It's Alex Burnell, a lot of guys I interview using the harmonics. Everyone doing all right? Who else is in the house? Yeah, so a lot. So when you see, let me ask you this, Eric, when you see similar harmonic patterns showing up in different instruments, that confluence kind of gives you an idea that we're near a turning point. Right. Okay. All harmonics are mainly counter trend, or the ones you've shown. How about this? I have an idea, Cyrix. How would you like to do an interview with me in the opening hour one day? What do you think? Are you game? Maybe that's it. Sell the rumor. I know what you mean. But what do you think of doing that one day? I've done it with Alien. I've done it with Ricardo. Who would like to Who would like to hear and see Cyrix being interviewed by me during our opening hour? do that. CAD pullback and one more high. Okay. Snogabed. Thank you, Ved. Oh, come on. You're ready. You don't need a month or two. Okay. No pressure. Let me know. And that invitation goes out to anyone else that would like to do that. Sure you would. You're doing it already. You're adding plenty. Don't sell yourself short. So this is for Goldie in case he forgot. Use less leverage when you trade the markets. Use wider stops so you don't get picked off. Use less leverage or you might lose your head and your account will be dead. Use less leverage. Use less leverage. That's for you, Goldie. Just in case you forgot. That's for you, buddy. Okay, I stand on your promise. You want to be a star? Do you need a new car? You had finally forgotten it. Use max. Oh, use max leverage. Okay. Use max leverage when you trade the markets. Try to turn $100 into 10K. Use max leverage when you trade the markets. You might hit a home run or you might strike out. Use max leverage and you'll blow up your account, and that's no doubt. Use max leverage, use max leverage, 1,000 to 1, 1,000 to 1, 10,000 to 1 leverage. How's that? It's use max leverage. If you want to turn $100 into 10K and watch your equity just simply go away. Use max leverage to turn 100 into 10K. And without a doubt, your equity will go away. Use max leverage. Use max leverage. Let me guess before I look. Alien, 1040, 1040, 1039. Okay. 1072 first, huh? Okay. I think it's possible. I wasn't looking for this first, but I guess we could do that. What is that, a $15 rally? Thank you, Alien. Nice potential roadmap in gold. I like it. What do you got, Rick? Yeah, so we could be looking for a possible December monthly reversal, Rick. Yeah. So be alert for December flip. Agree, Rick. Yeah. So don't trade. Don't trade. Market will be here. Feb 2016. That's interesting. So we have a higher opening coming in equities. Goldie's got another look. So what is this? I'm not going to show it. Is that using max leverage? What is that, Goldie? Oh, I see. Okay. Maybe you're right, Rick. You get a scalp there. 1053, 1052 was Peter Goodburn's target, which it exactly ticked on Friday. Gold got to that 52 range. Thank you, Rick. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Thank you, Ricardo. Everyone thank Ricardo for its gold look. Thank you, Ricardo. What, the 890? I don't think in this cycle, no. I don't think we're going there. If you notice, the miners have still not made new lows. With all the gold, with all the successive new lows in the bullion, thank you, Rick. Did you see how I defended you on Twitter, Ricardo? Some guy made fun of your charts on Twitter. And I said we should all be as perceptive and disciplined as Ricardo. Thank you, Rick. See, I defend all my friends. It's just in my DNA. I'll let anyone go after my friends. I've got your back, Rick. I've got everyone's back in here. That's what friends do. They have their friends back when others are attacking them. You guys are my trading family. No one's going to attack you without hearing from Dale Pinkard. What do you think of that? How about an amen on having each other's back when the haters come out? There's my amen. We have each other's backs in here. Everyone doing okay? It's popping. You like that, Kobe? So here comes the gold following. Rick's got a nice long on, and Aileen was calling for a move to 1070. Everyone doing okay? You want to write a song too, Goldie, huh? So all the golds are higher. Not much. And now, Sinatra, do you do it your way or my way? And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. Everyone doing all right? If you love Lar, give me a Y. There's my Y. If you love me, Dale Jeffrey Pinkard at Forex Stop Hunter, give me a double Y. I love me. I love me today. How about you guys? Yeah, my way. I sing that one. My friends don't like when I sing that song anymore. Hi, Forex Pipper. How are you doing, buddy? So I'm sure you guys have noticed I've lost my celebrity status of LAR, being part of this YouTube programming. So I'm not a star anymore. I'm just part of a team. Who's watching FX Street's YouTube channel outside of LAR? Give me a Y and tell me what you're watching. I'm curious. I know a lot of people watch Yohei every day. You guys watching Yohei? And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. And this, I'll say it clear, oh, once again, of what I'm certain. I've lived. Aussie Yen came off this test of the breakdown pretty good. Looks like it's going to go for it again. I think there should be a decent Aussie Yen short. What do you guys watch? Yohei? Yeah, there is. There's other presenters. I don't think it's collaborative, but like this. Any views on Aussie Yen in the house? Hard to get bearish Aussie if we're looking for a major low in gold, right? Hello, Forex Pipper. Yeah, Yohei's great, isn't he? He's very good with keeping you abreast of all the news and how it ties in technically. It's with a Y, I think. Yohei. Yohei Elam of Forex Crunch. He's very good. I see a new handle in the house. Everyone, welcome Pat. About a LAR welcome for Pat. Pat W. Welcome, Pat. How about a LAR welcome for Pat W? Hi, John 573. Yeah, he is. I'm not. I don't follow him as much. Hello, Pat. Welcome to LAR. This community is not about me, it's about everybody. My mouse is acting goofy for days. Here's Veteran's view on Euro. Eventually down to 102. Okay. This lines up with what we heard from Ed Matz about 2-3 months ago, 102. Thank you, Ved. Thank you, Alien. Yeah, it's a wedge. So it's going to be a short, isn't it? Up in here. I like this. So we have a rising wedge at the bottom. Maybe back up here for a short. 89.70 or 91.5. Yeah. Ask and you shall receive. Thank you, Alien. I like it. Okay, I'm going to take a quick 5-minute break. Oh, okay. Thank you, Adinda. So I'm going to take a quick break. You guys could continue to share looks and ideas. I'll be back in 5. Thank you, everyone, for showing your great work today. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, Adinda. So what do you have here, Rick? 70.5. Yeah. I know I didn't like the wedge look there either. $70.20, $70.02, new lows. Thank you, Ricardo. Thank you, Rick. Nice euro pound look, Rick. Everyone doing okay? Give me a Y if you're hanging in there. Stocks are coming off a bit. About 20 minutes away from a great interview with Don Mead. Everyone doing okay? CPM? So we already had 1 week, 1 week economic number today. One week economic number today already. I think they do. I think they thrive on a strong U.S. dollar. Line up a Dow chart or S&P chart, Sinatra, with a dollar index chart, and you'll see they're traveling in the same direction. Capiche? So the correlation is strong dollar, strong equities, except for emerging markets. At least that's the way it looks to me, in my humble opinion. Looking forward to our discussion with Don Mead. So we're getting a little uptick in the euro and a bigger one in the pound. Looks like the yen is starting to fade here. Nice outside candle in the yen up here. Pretty strong relative strength. And the pullback in Canada, maybe it's ended and we're going to head up again. Everyone doing okay? 150 points? Not 150 points. Not 150. 15 maybe. I think you have an extra digit in there, Cyric. Because we weren't up 130. Nice pop in the pound. Guppy. Guppy's rallying pretty nice. Maybe 190 in the Guppy. 190 for a short in the Guppy. 89.30, 61.8 back. Up there. Okay. Well, transfer your account to FX Pro. Transfer your account to FX Pro. Everyone doing all right? Okay, Frank. Yeah, that's right, 15 points. Is this a dead alien that I tweet? That's my guess. There's Alien's cousin right there. Is he in Tunisia right now? Is he in Tunisia, buddy? Poor guy. Poor little alien. Wants to go home to mommy. Poor little alien wants to go home to mommy. Mommy, 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 help me. Good one, alien. Sinatra will take him in. What's rent? How much for rent? Free? Are you going to be charitable to extraterrestrials or charge them? Really? Yeah. You just want him because he's a great trader, Sinatra. Guppy scalp from Zurich. Yeah, pull back here, and then a push. Back towards 84.80. With a 30 pip scalp. Thank you, Zurich. Nice looks from you today. Free. You're going to win the Nobel Peace Prize for humanitarianism. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. Who wants to be the man? You raise your hand, because if you need a car, you should hang out with us in LAR. If you're renting your house, hang in LAR before you click your mouse. You want to be a star? Show your charts in LAR. Give me an L A R. LAR, rar, 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 rar. Yeah. So we have a bunch of bad data. It's going to be interesting to see what happens on the NFP if we don't get a strong jobs report Friday. Everyone's saying it's a lock for a hike in December. We'll see. They say it's going to take a real bad number to dissuade the Fed from going in December. I have no idea what they're going to do. So the yuan was adopted into the IMF SDR, and the world has not ended. What do you guys think of that? The yuan has been adopted into the IMF SDR, and the world has not ended today. Stand by for Don Mead at Seven Sentinels. We're going to find out what the Seven Sentinel. You like that, Pat? I got 1,000,000 of them. Stand by for our interview coming up. Janet Yellen will be speaking again today. Gold still marching. Stand by for Don Mead. Any nominations for the Man Award today? Yeah. 5 years, okay. Hi, Chi-Town, how are you? According to Peter Goodburn, these could be the highs in the dollar, Chi-Town. He's talking par 33. We got there today. What's your take on gold now, Chi-Town? We got that bounce off the 1052 level. Something else Peter talked about. I'm going to make all you guys the men. Everyone in here today, you know what? I'm going to give it to Sirik. Sirik shared the most. Sirik, you're the man. Congratulations, Sirik. The bridge. When you trade the markets, use wider stops so you don't get picked off. Use less leverage. That's the man award, Happy Pipper. Okay, I'm looking for 1040. Thank you, Chi-Town. So that's the man award. Thank you for the nomination. Okay. I have a couple different return lines in the gold on the daily. I've one at 1040, and then I have this big one. It looks like 1020 or so down here. See that? Here's one of my three drive lines. Comes in around 1041, 1040, and then I have another one down here. Comes in just above 1,000. Share your charts. Make good calls. No, but we could. We could have man of the year. It's a good idea. To be announced at the end of next month. Good idea. Do you want the award, Happy? Do you want to win a man award? Would like to see what now? There's my big picture in the gold. Okay. Stand by for Don. Don should be with us in a little while. Oh my God, it's so famous. It's very famous. I think Happy wants that award. I'll give it to you tomorrow, Happy. Show up and you'll win. Show up tomorrow, show me one chart, one screenshot, and I'll give you the man award tomorrow. Deal? Give me a Y if it's a deal. So you have to show one screenshot and you'll be the winner tomorrow. So prepare your acceptance speech today for tomorrow. Okay? Stand by for Don Mead at Seven Sentinels. I believe Don should be with us tomorrow. All right, we'll have the man award for the year. And Happy Pips is a very coveted award, very coveted. Stand by for Don Mead at Seven Sentinels. Contributor at traders-talk.com. I'm expecting Don momentarily to join us. Are you here, Don? Hi, Don. Hope you could hear me. Can you hear me, buddy? Is Don unmuted, Adinda? Can you unmute him or send him an email to help him out here? Hi, Don. Dale Pinker here. How are you? Hi, Don. Hello, Don. Hello, Don. That's too bad. This happens every day. Hi, Don. Can you hear me? Okay, we're having the same issue with volume on this daily. Linda, can you help him out? I could hear him.
Anybody
Hello,
there?
Don Mead. There we go.
Hello.
Hi, Don. I heard you for a minute. Hi, Don. Look at his quote screens. Flashing, flashing. Hello, Don. Okay, guys, I'll just wait to hear from Don. See if he could figure it out. There's not much I can do. I really wanted to see this interview, hear him. Yeah, I think that the commodity currencies can separate themselves, Chi-Town.
Anybody there?
Hi, Don. How are you? I'm here, Don. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I'm here. We're all here. We're all watching you. We could all see you. You just can't hear me. Do you know Don Happy? Hi, Don. Adinda, he can't hear me. I heard him for a minute. Still quiet. Everyone that... Okay. Okay. Adinda, are you reading what Goldie's saying? Maybe he doesn't have his volume on his computer. Luimo, hi. How are you, brother? I'm doing everything. Adinda's in touch with him. How have you been, Luimo? A long time. Are you familiar with Don's work? Is that why you're here? Send him an email. Okay. Where have you been? Oh, good for you. So you're centered now.
Oh, I don't hear anything. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
You can hear me.
Yes.
I have my volume all the way up.
Okay. All
I don't
right.
know what the issue is.
Me either.
Volume's all the way up.
Okay.
You can hear me just fine? I have my volume all the way up and I hear absolutely nothing. Is there something I've forgotten to do
I'm
here?
not sure. I don't know, Don. Can you hear me? Still can't hear me.
This is very strange here. Can you see me?
Do you hear you?
Okay, I'll go back and do that again. I've done it several times already. They'll open that link. Okay, Google Hangouts, the link you sent me, I just clicked on it.
Can you hear me now,
Um,
Don?
I've clicked on it. Let's see. It's given me a quote sign on my screen.
All right. Click that.
There. Now I see myself on the screen.
Right.
Can you see me?
Join.
Oh well. Now I can't see your messages. Just please wait. Okay. Here's your. Okay, got it. I clicked on okay, got it. Now I'm going to click on join. I just
Can you
clicked
hear
on
me?
join, and then I
All
click on
right.
take me there.
That's right. You see me?
Okay, can you hear me now? I can't hear anything.
I'm here. I'm here. Can you hear me now, Don?
Do you hear me by any chance?
I hear you. I hear
I'm
you.
sending you a message right now.
I hear you.
Just a moment. Okay, I see you sent another link. Should I go ahead and click on that link you just sent me?
Can you hear me now, Don?
You said check the volume on that video. The volume's all the way up. He says, my apology, we'll have to reschedule and do a test prior. Yes. Can you hear me, Dale?
Yes, I can.
I'm very, okay, good. I cannot hear you at all.
Okay. I hear you, buddy.
But anyway, thanks, Dale. I'm very sorry that I hope it's not something that I've done wrong here. It probably is. You know how it is with us oldsters. Have you been able to see me at all? Okay. Well, I don't know if it's just you know, my son would probably have figured this out right from the first minute, but I'm afraid I can't figure out what it is. But yes, let's go ahead and reschedule, Dale, and then go ahead and I'll do whatever you say to do. So let me just thank you again for trying very. Thank you. I just saw you now. But anyway, thank you very much for making the attempt to get me on the air, and it's an honor to be here, even if I'm not on your program. But let's go ahead and reschedule, and I'll follow whatever instructions you send.
Okay, agenda. We could go back.
Okay. Have a great day, Dale.
You too, buddy. All right, everyone. My apologies that didn't work out. All right, see ya. Okay. US dollar yen pushing up. So let me tell you this, Goldie, it's tiresome for me because I spend a lot of time searching out and arranging these interviews for us. Okay, I spend a lot of time on Twitter, emails back and forth, direct messages back and forth, booking and scheduling guests for our community. So can you imagine if it's tiresome for you, what it might be like for me? We'll work it out though. I'd use less leverage on that trade. Use less leverage on that one, Goldie. Use no leverage on that. Thank you, Happy. You know, that's what happens. Thank you, Goldie. Yep. It's an adjustment period. All right, everybody. Okay. If you can't hear my guess, clap your hands, do it loud. If you can't hear my guess, clap your hands, do it loud. If you miss the interviews, coming off very clean, I might be a little irritable, but I'll try not to be mean. If you can't hear my guess on the interview, clap your hands. You know that I am open to meeting every one of your demands. I search on Twitter for guys that are good, so they bring us their ideas just like the expert should. So if my guest can't hear me, I say I'm sorry to you, but we'll work it out. Please don't get very blue, because the cream rises to the top, and I'll keep on trying, 'cause man, I just can't stop building up this community, edifying you every day. So hang in there, Larians, and for the rest of the session, let's play. I love you, Lars. Yeah, Sesame Street. I'm Elmo. I'm Elmo. I just crawled out of my garbage can. Yeah. After cancer surgery, not much throws me, Lima. You know what I mean, buddy? Don't sweat the small stuff. Right, guys? Most everything is small stuff. Don't sweat it. What do you think? So I lived another year. If you guys are happy that I lived another year, give me a Y. If you're happy I lived another year. Going for another 10. Shooting for another decade. You're welcome, buddy. If you're happy and you know it. Huh? That was better than you like those songs. Okay. So the Euro is like watching paint dry. We've been in this range all day. What you got, Ved? So let's start sharing some charts for the remainder of the session. Oh, what's this? I need to do that. What's this, Ved? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. You're happy and you know it, clap your hands. What is that? I have no idea. That I have absolutely no idea what that is. What is it? I don't know what it is. I'm not suffering. Just a little bit. Hey, Chi Town, what's up? What's that mean? What is it? Okay, if you're happy, you count, you profit, count your pips. If you're happy and you, okay, that's a good one, Goldie. I'll work on it. Croatian whiskey. Mail me some. Mail me some. You want to mail me some? Crude looks like it's heading down again. Gold still pushing up. Alien was looking for 72. Nostrovia. You're a voyeur, Chi-Town. Stock market coming back with the yen. You want my address? Here, email me, and I'll send you my address. My email, but that's it. If you're happy and you know it, shake my hand. All right, so this is what I see in Aussie, guys. We're setting up a third drive to a top in Aussie right here. Here's one. Here's two. I should go to a 4-hour. That is a 4-hour. Okay. So it looks like the Aussie wants to make a push to 73.5 here. You don't have to agree with me, but just give me a Y if you see it. Here's one. Here's two. The third one would come in about 100 pips higher at 73.5. Everyone doing okay? Abel, Fab, Sinatra, Ali. Where's Khalid? Khalid hasn't been around lately. How you doing, MRC? You're welcome, partner. Head and shoulders, maybe a failing rally, maybe. Could be. Left shoulder would come in around 72.5. I favor this because of the RSI reading. I think this time it'll have a hard time getting above 70 happy. To me, it looks like an incomplete pattern. So I'm thinking up to 73.5. We'll see. as always, time will reveal. Time will reveal. Thank you, Abel. $73. Yeah. Okay. I'm just drawing the line, Goldie. I've drawn these lines many times and they end up being magnets. Not always, but quite frequently, Goldie, they turn out to be magnets. But I do think that on a daily basis, the Aussie has turned. It didn't make new low, hasn't made new lows for a long time, all the way back to March of 2015 was the low in the Aussie. So I think pullbacks, it actually looks pretty good here on the weekly. This is a 4-hour. There's a 1 hour. We'll see. I thought I had some type of daily breakout in Aussie. I showed it at another webinar. I think this was it. I don't know. Thank you, Goldie. Thank you, Sir Goldie. $73.5. 73.80. Nice look, Goldie. You want to thank Goldie for that Aussie? I don't know. Is that 180? Is that a daily? Thank you, Goldie. Thank you, Ved. Cold. It got cold here. It's 39 last night. Everyone thank Goldie for that Aussie look. Everyone doing okay? 1 hour. Thank you, Goldie. What's up, Rick? So here's a historical look from Ricardo of what happens in the S&Ps after Thanksgiving. Average is up 0.5%. Thank you, Rick, for those historicals. I want to thank Rick for giving you a seasonal look at the stock market. Pretty strong period seasonally. Thank you, Rick. Yen's pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. For the pullback, you were calling the pullback in CAD. Are you booking it? Yeah, nice. Nice trade. Everyone congratulate Goldie for his short in CAD. Worked out for him. 61.8 back. Beautiful trade, Goldie. I'm going to give out another man award, and I'm going to give this one to Goldie for all his chart work today, and his that was the best live call in the room today. Goldie, you're the man. Everyone congratulate Goldie. Produced by Ziggy, the Man Award with Kentucky Rain. And what a cute puppy that is. Nice work today, Goldie. Congratulations on your, I think, second man award. Everyone doing all right? Pat W., Goldie, Sinatra, Vedran, Luimo, Ali. Ali's looking to sell crude on strength. I think he was talking the 46 range. So he's looking for up here. Gold's had a good day. Gold shares are up. GDX up 2%. Very nice trade, Goldie. Luimo, no, I don't know that. Thank you, Rick. Ryan Dietrich, I think I've interviewed him. Gold's putting in a little tail here. So don't forget, we have the ECB, I believe, on Thursday, and we have the NFP on Friday. And you're still alive on the Swiss? How about that? Still alive. $13.31. Thank you, Ved. Good luck on this one, Goldie. I think if we rallied one more time in the Swiss, we would have a divergence, which we didn't have here. Not saying every correction has to diverge, but I don't know. If I was you, I'd probably, since you were uncomfortable with both and Canada worked, I'd flatten out in Swiss and wait for a better setup. But what do I know? Euro pound starting to break down for you, Rick? Thank you, Goldie. Can't see the top of the chart. Okay, it's in that zone. Thank you, Goldie. Euro pound selling off, Rick, breaking the wedge. Yeah, there we go. Maybe get something like this from here. Nice call, Rick. I'm thinking there might be a third drive to a top in the Aussie. Okay. You know better than me. So looking for a third drive in the Aussie, possibly up to 73.5. Luimo. So did everyone enjoy the session today? Again, my apologies for the interview not coming off with Don Mead. I promise I'll reschedule him. So here's my wrap. Euro USD still looking negative here. Third drive line now coming in around 105.20, about 40 lower. Maybe we get a low into the ECB. Pound outperforming. So euro pound is vulnerable. Think that there might be another area for a retest. Maybe even we're going to go for these lows now. Third drive line is going to come in under 69.5. That's starting to look more viable to me. Looking for shorts in US dollar yen, although it's accelerating. Think that up around this 124 level. Want to see these highs taken out for a third drive in the yen. The third drive would come in here. Here's 1. Here's 2. And 3 is going to come in up here. And that's right around the 124-ish area in US dollar yen. Those are my targets. Those are my calls. I want to thank everyone for their contributions today. Thank you, Luimo. So I want to thank everyone for their shares and their charts and their input. Great to see you, Luimo. Glad to have you with us. Sinatra, Forex Pipper, thank you. Ricardo, thanks for all the great looks. Goldie, thank you for all the great looks. Ved, thanks for all the great looks. Abel, thanks for all the good wishes. Cyric, thank you for all the great charts. Forex Stop Hunter, thanks for another day. A great job by you, Dale. Happy Pips, thanks for hanging out with us. Pat W., welcome to our community. Fab, Ali. Steve O'Hare, welcome to LAR. You could post your promos anytime you want in my community. John 573 is in Japan. JM, thank you. MRC, thank you. Chi-Town Hustler, thank you, my brother. Thank you, Rick. Let's wrap it with Rick. Rick's look at the Aussie. Like this. Thank you, Ricardo. So your line comes in where I'm looking for maybe 73.5. Thank you, Ricardo. Okay, everyone, enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day. Remember, don't just count your pips, count your blessings. And I'll see everyone tomorrow. Good hunting. Good hunting, everyone.